Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Yeah, and this phone is having a lot of AI features. Let me show you the first one. For that, let me go here to the internet browser, and a nice feature here is if you're long pressing the home button, you can enable a mode to know more about pictures. If you don't know who this is, just circle the head of him and the phone will tell you who it is. In our case, it's Cristiano Ronaldo, the footballer. If you know what he is wearing, then you just long press the home button and mark his tricot. And the phone will tell you this is the away shirt from Al Nassr, a Saudi Arabian football club. Pretty nice feature. And you can summarize also text here at the phone, like at Samsung Notes or here at the Samsung web browser. So we're having here our Wikipedia entry of Cristiano Ronaldo with a lot of text and so on, with a lot of stats. And you can summarize it if you're tapping here on the stars, and then you have here the option to summarize it. And the phone is detecting the text and gives you only the highlights of it. And pretty nice, you can read them as well aloud here below. Yeah, so the phone is detecting text and gives you then the highlights and read it aloud. So pretty nice. You can even speed it up here to make it a bit more faster. And as well, you can make it slower and so on as you want. You can jump here to the next chapter or go to the previous one. You can even change the language, also you can translate it. A pretty nice tool. The next feature I want to show you is pretty crazy because you can have with one phone two phones. So a phone with two spaces. Maybe one space for your private stuff and the other space for your business stuff, or one space for your private stuff and the other space for your very private stuff. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point security and privacy. Scroll down here a bit to the point more security settings. And you will find finally the point secure folder. So just tap down on continue, and here you need to log in with your Samsung account, but I think you have done it already because the Galaxy AI needs that as well. So just tap down here on continue. And this is taking now a few seconds, so this is the reason why we'll forward the video right now. At the next step here, you can set up a log type here for your secure folder, a pin, a password or pattern. So I'm more the fan of the pin. Let me take 4 times the 9. Please take a better one. Tap on continue or done after. So he's shouting out at me because it was too simple, but I will use it anyway. So now you have to re-enter this pin code. In my case it was 4 times the 9. Please take yours. Tap on OK or on done. And yeah, here at this point just tap on allow, because if you forget about your pin code or your pattern and so on, you can unlock it again with the Samsung account. Okay, tap on allow. You can add fingerprints as well if you want. We can do it later as well. So just tap down on next, and here we are at the secure folder. We have an own camera, and all the pictures you're taking here with that camera are only visible here at the gallery. And if you go here at the internet, all the browser history is only visible here at the secure folder. You can have own contacts, own calendar entries, own notes, own files, and you can have as well here own apps. Made from your existing apps, so as a second app then here at a secure folder, or you can also download here new apps which are only visible here at a secure folder. Yeah, where to find the secure folder? Basically, you will find it always here at the app drawer, where all your apps are. Then you have it here at your secure folder. But hold on, he didn't ask for. And where to find the secure folder, that's pretty easy. And where to find the secure, by the way, where to find the secure folder, that's pretty easy. You will find it always here at the app drawer, here where all your apps are. And here it is, the secure folder. But hold on, he didn't ask for the pin. Yes, he only asked for the pin if the screen turns off, but you can set it up. If you want to have it more safe, just tap on the 3 points, go on settings, and here you will have the auto lock secure folder. If you want to have it each time you leave an app, then take the first one. Then he's asking more for the pin. If you don't want to have the pin really, then take the last one here. Only if the phone restarts, then you will need the pin. And if you're having already existing data here on your main space, which one belongs to the secure folder, like pictures or PDF files and so on, then just go, in the case of the pictures, here to the gallery, and yeah, me here, our little friend below, then just long press him, or the picture you want to have it, and then just mark the pictures you want to transfer. Okay, after, just tap here on more, go then move to secure folder, and these pictures will disappear. They're no more there now. So let's check now here at the secure folder, and here they are. They're only visible now here at the gallery of the secure folder. And you're having some more AI features, especially for the daily use, like text messages. So let's check it here. And if you want to enter a message and so on, we are having here our keyboard, we're having here yeah, the smileys, you know them already, and you can create now your own stickers here with the stars, with the Galaxy AI logo. And now you can describe it here a bit, and let's maybe take a jumping lion. After you've done it, just tap here on generate, and the phone is creating for you a jumping lion. If you are not like it, you can tap also here on the picture, then you see its illustration. You can add also a retro logo, a doodle, or a 3D emoji. And if you tap on generate again, he will create it brand new for you with a 3D emoji. And let's have a look how it looks like. It looks more sweet then. Huh? Okay, after you're ready with it, just tap on done. And now you are having here this sticker. And if you have created it once, you can have always have it again here at the Galaxy AI sticker module. So pretty nice, and you can add also now some text and so on. So yeah, as usual, a pretty nice tool. And if you want, you can split also the screen here at the phone. And hey, why not? The screen is large enough to let run two apps at the same time. Maybe you can watch a YouTube video while you're checking something else on the internet. Let me show you a bit more about. So let's open YouTube, or could be also another app. Then take two fingers and swipe them from below to the middle of the screen, and you've split the screen. And now you can choose which app you want to open here on the lower screen. Let's keep going on with our example here, the internet. And now I'm having here on top YouTube, and below I'm having here the internet browser. Pretty nice. But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable it first. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol. Then you're having here the control center, and a part of the control center is always here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to go down to the point advanced features, and you will find the point multi-window. And you need to enable the first 2 points here, swipe for split screen and swipe for pop-up view. So that's marked blue here. And that means whenever you open YouTube or another app, you can split the screen by just taking two fingers and swipe them from below to the middle of the screen. And yeah, we have split it. You can even let run a game here on the lower screen, like maybe Clash of Clans here. And now I'm having here on the lower screen Clash of Clans while I'm watching a YouTube video next to. If you need a bit more space for the lower screen, you just swipe up here with the 3 points in the middle. Or if you need more space for the app on top, like YouTube here, swipe it down. Pretty nice. And you can go a bit further, because you can open as well apps in a floating window, so in a pop-up. So let's check again with YouTube, or could be as well another app. Then take your finger here at the corner and swipe it gently in, and you see you're having now a little square here. And now I've opened YouTube in a pop-up view. So, and I can move it also to any other position here with the blue bar. Yeah, pretty nice, huh? And I can do something next to while checking something else here in a YouTube video. Cool, huh? So, and if you want to delete it, just tap on the blue bar, go in the X, and the pop-up will disappear. The next feature I want to show you is for the galleries, or especially for the videos at your gallery, which one are having disturbing noises at the background. Because there's an audio eraser here at the phone, this is something new. For that, just tap you on the gallery, and then choose the video you want to edit. I've created one yesterday and it was raining and it was loud outside. And yeah, let me show you now how you can clean this audio. So just tap here on the stars below. Then the phone is detecting all the noises as well your voice and so on. And yeah, it's creating now or it's dividing now the sounds, the voice, the wind, and the noises. And now you can reduce the stuff, like the voice, or in our case, we want to reduce the noises, and you can swipe now like this, and you can see the percentage, how much you want to have it reduced. The same with the wind and so on, you can reduce it, or you can just tap on audio and the phone will do it by its own then. Okay, after, just go on save copy, and the phone is generating then a video with less or almost no noises at the background, and the results are already pretty nice. So if I let run now the video, you don't hear really that it was raining. So a pretty nice tool, you should check it out, and will become better and better as well. And we're having some more features here at the gallery and also for videos. Let me go there again. You can also run videos in a slow motion way. Let me open maybe a video with our little friend here. He's jumping around, and if you long press now the screen, the phone will make automatically a slow motion video, especially if you want to check some details here at the video. It is pretty nice, and if you leave your finger, the speed is regularly again. Maybe almost at the end of the video, and I want to show you here something almost invisible, because you can easily swipe out here a sidebar and you're having quick access to your favorite apps, and as well to Galaxy AI features like an interpreter or like a drawing assistant. So you can draw something and mix it to a generated picture. Just check it out. And yeah, you have also here your favorite apps. You can change these apps by just tap on the pen here. If you don't want to have here the gallery in that sidebar, you want to have instead WhatsApp, then just yeah, tap the home button, and whenever you swipe it out now, you will have WhatsApp here at your sidebar. What makes it nice is, even if you have your phone now with one hand, you can easily swipe it out and having quick access to nice tools and your favorite apps. So that's in the best position. You can long press this sidebar here, and you can move it now to another position, and more down or more up, or you can switch it also on the other side if you're left-handed. Now that's pretty nice. So just choose the best position, and that you can use it pretty nice here in a one-handed mode. So a pretty nice feature. The last feature I want to show you is a scene describer. Something what happened, the phone will tell you what it is. If my hand is holding a paper clip, the phone will tell me that. I will show you what I mean. For that, let's go here to the camera. Then swipe here to more, tap then here on the eye, and this is Bixby Vision. And there are many things now, and if you swipe here below, you are having here a scene describer. Let me take now a paper clip here in my hand and let the phone analyze the scene. I will take the picture here.
Analyzing scene. A hand holding a paper clip.
Could you hear that? A hand holding a paper clip. Same works also with a coin. Now, if I now tap again here.
Analyzing scene. A hand holding a gold coin.
A gold coin, okay. That's good. Was only a 10-cent coin, but it's you see, analyzing the scenes and can give you a good impression what happens here. And yeah, so the system is still learning, so it will tell us soon much more. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and give you nice tips and tricks here. I think you have known already some of them, but I hope as well that yeah, you have learned some new ones here. Thank you so much for watching. Maybe you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other ones if you're interested in some other videos with more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.